Hello, hello, this is Matt Cochran with Remax 100 Springfield, and today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to log into your member benefit at NVAR of the transaction desk and the AuthentiSign. So this is really a backup to your DigiSign program and your ZipForm Plus program, but every once in a while, just technology being what it is, there's a need to have a backup, or maybe you like this better. It doesn't matter how you create your document. So first things first, come to the NVAR.com website, start there, and then up in the top right corner you click here to log in. Now I'm lucky that I have my stuff already set up in here autofilled, but you'll need your NERDS ID, which is your National Association of Realtors member ID, and then your password to get into NVAR. So if you don't have all that stuff, there's a section right here, forgot your password or your NERDS ID, NRDS ID, but I have mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and click login. And once you're in, it should say welcome and then your name up here in the top right corner so that you know you're logged in properly. And then you've got this member dashboard here. So if it doesn't take you directly here, and it's still kind of on a main page or something, click up here this little right part that says member dashboard, and it'll bring you here to sort of the exclusive things that are available to you as a member. And then over in the top left corner you'll see that there's this forms box. So click that. And mine's going to look a little bit different than yours because I do have sort of an overview of everything that's going on in the office that folks are using this for. But we do have agents that use this every single day. So yours will look a little bit differently. But if I go here to the home, this is probably more likely what yours is going to look like. And you can see here it's just a list of transactions, things that I've started here. So if I need to create a new one, I come up here to create transaction. And then I'm going to type test day file. I really like the format of like how I usually do it is the last name underscore first name, and then if I have a property address I put that in too. So however you want to do it, I'll leave that for you, right? A template would be if you have something set up where it's going to automatically input or fill in your documentation, like your forms that you want. I'm not going to have it, but if you set these up, you see here I've got residential listing for sale 77 or 78 and newer. What that'll do is it'll put all the forms I need to list a property. Now with Remax, keep in mind we need RESPA as well, so you would want to include that somehow in your documents or pull that in at some point. Type here, you would come in and residential listing, let's say that's what you're doing. If you're going to try to import something out of Bright MLS, you can do that and then put the MLS number if like maybe there's some old data or something like that, and add me as the listing agent. So you just hit create, and then it's just going to walk you through setting up the listing. I'm not going to go through everything to add it. You can add in contacts. This is where you would add clients. If you needed to add somebody in, add like a seller or something like that. Here's where you would add the forms. So come up here to add, and Northern Virginia folder, and then you can search whatever you want, right? Exclusive. It's going to give me my exclusive right to sell listing agreement. So this is the one I want right here. Remember, we don't want exclusive agency, you want exclusive right to sell. Click that, add, and you can just go through that process with everything, right? Come up here, disclosure, and let's see, D4, we don't want the meth lab one, we want there it is, the disclosure form. And we add it, and then if you need lead-based paint or whatever, you get the gist. Click next, and done. And now you've got your file. So you're all set on that front. So you're basically set up with transaction desk, and then to fill something in, you just click on it, and it brings you to the form, and you just go about your business, typing it in, getting it all filled in, right? So easy enough. Hopefully that's helpful, and it is a nice backup system. I like it a lot. In the next video I'll show you a quick way to sort of modify and edit a PDF in the AuthentiSign program. All right, very good. Have an awesome day.